Rules for success in life, achieving your full potential. Welcome to our video on the rules for success in life. Success is not merely about wealth or fame, it's about fulfilling your potential and living a purposeful life. In this video, we'll explore 9 fundamental rules that can guide you on your journey to success. Rule 1. Set clear goals. The first rule for success is to set clear, specific goals. Define what success means to you and establish achievable objectives to work towards. Whether it's personal, professional, or academic goals. Having a clear direction provides focus and motivation. Rule 2. Work hard. Success rarely comes without hard work. Dedicate yourself to your pursuits, stay disciplined, and put in consistent effort. Rule 3. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning and personal growth. Stay curious, seek new experiences, and invest in expanding your knowledge and skills. Rule 4. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action towards your goals. Break tasks into manageable steps and start moving forward. Remember, even small actions can lead to significant progress. Rule 5. Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Embrace failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. Rule 6. Stay persistent. Success often requires patience and persistence. Stay committed to your goals, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Remember, every setback is a stepping stone towards success. Rule 7. Stay focused. Avoid distractions and stay focused on your goals. Manage your time wisely, set priorities, and eliminate unnecessary distractions. Rule 8. Build resilience. Develop resilience to overcome obstacles and adversity. Cultivate a positive mindset, practice self-care, and seek support from others when needed. Rule 9. Take risks. Success often involves taking calculated risks. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone, embrace uncertainty. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel LEN.